Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you two different hauls, one from Hobby Lobby, one from Tuesday morning, but I also thought it might be fun and just do something a little bit different in today's video as well and talk about my Christmas design plans, how I plan, what my inspirations are. So if you're interested in that, that's what's gonna occur in today's video. Also, I recently announced this on my Dollar Tree haul, not that it's any sort of announcement, but in case you are going to be on the lookout for my decorating videos, they're actually going to happen a lot earlier this year. So I'm going to be decorating in about 2 weeks. So I guess the second week of November. I typically decorate the week of Thanksgiving, but I'm going to do it a lot earlier this year. So videos are going to be coming out soon. And so subscribe, turn on your bell before you leave in case you want to be notified when those videos are up. So when I looked back, I did not like the pillow situation in the living room, so I knew I wanted to change it up. And so my solutions this year are to just buy pillow covers. That way I just get to reuse the same pillows over and over, plus it's a lot cheaper. So I found these on Amazon and I'm going for a bright red. I'm going to be doing plaid again, but just in a different way. So I got 4 of these. Here's 2 of them, but I did get 4 total of the red covers. I will link these down below in case you're interested. Also, I love how soft they are. And then I already have one cover on an actual pillow, but this was a pillow cover. So, but the pillow on the inside is just mine that I grabbed. So, and I found this plaid. It is my perfect plaid. It's the one that I gravitate towards the most, and it's my favorite. And I knew that I wanted this red right here to be the one that pops. So that is why I went with this pillow cover. So what I really want this year is I want a more cohesive look. I felt like when I was looking through my videos, I was finding that I had like snowflake ribbon and then I had plaid, and not that there's anything wrong with that. I just, for this year, I want everything to be a little bit, I guess, more matchy-matchy. So because of that, I knew that it was time to update the stocking and tree skirt situation. And I already showed this on my vlog, so for those that follow my vlogs, you've already seen this part, but I got this tree skirt, and just so that you can again see that same red color going on. And I feel like that's what I really needed to do. I had different pillows, different tree skirt, and it just, I guess I've moved on from that, and I want the main color to be this red. So I got a new tree skirt and I also got new stockings. I went with 3, but I might go back and do a 4th one, but essentially one for me, my daughter, and my niece, you know, just because I spend a lot of time with her. This is from Dollar Tree. I love my Dollar Tree notebooks, and in here I plan my Christmas stuff. And I take one room at a time, and I start by labeling like at the top living room, and then I'll go back and watch my videos, see what I had, what decor I had out, and then I'll start writing out items that I want, or like color schemes. I'll try to figure it out, then I'll narrow it down, and that's how I came to this plaid. I also had, there was one photo from Pinterest that actually inspired this entire plaid, which is interesting because it doesn't really look like it inspired me, but it's like one thought, you know, led to another. I knew that my tree had a lot of green, which is great. I do want to keep the green, but I grabbed some more red ornaments just so that red is more predominantly the main color, and then I'll have splashes of green in my plaid and things like that. So I got those, and I also got these red ornaments, and you can see they're shaped a little bit differently. I'm actually going to use these on my fireplace mantle. All right, since we're on the living room topic, I'll quickly just throw up some photos of the tree. I think I might be changing up the tree a little bit this year in terms of the ribbon. Last year, I did a double layered ribbon with a red and then a like burlap snowflake look. I will link my 2019 house tour down below, so you guys can kind of go take a look in case you want to see what I'm talking about. But I do think I want to change up my tree this year. There's a couple of gorgeous trees that I've seen on Pinterest, but the one that really got me was the one with these red and white striped bows. Now I'm not going to do red and white stripes in the living room. I am doing that in the kitchen for my gingerbread theme, but I just love the concept of the way that they did the bows in general. So I might be doing my ribbon like that this year. Let's get on to the entryway. The entryway last year did have a snowy like theme, and I'm going to still do another snowy theme, but it's going to still be different from the one from last year. And what really inspired me was this right here, this tree topper. Honestly, I love it so much. I'm also going to change my tree topper for my living room tree. I just don't know how I'm going to do it yet. So absolutely love this tree topper. So you can kind of see where I'm going, a lot of like natural twig wood elements with the white. So you're going to see a lot of that in the entryway. I'm actually going to do a tall tree, and we're going to do some white ornaments and keep it like a little snowy concept. So also for the living room, I found this one photo on Pinterest that completely inspired me, and I got a matching scarf that looks just like this type of plaid, and I'm gonna drape it and style it like behind the couch, just the way that this picture shows, where they kind of draped it over the chair. And I thought that would be really cute and bring in an element of plaid, because there is going to be a lot of red going on. So let's actually move on to my bedroom as the next item. Now I have photos. Let me just tilt you guys a little bit. I have photos up there, and I found another set of wintry prints, but I'm not going to reveal it just yet. But it definitely inspired me to do another cabin, snowy cabin of sorts, but my room is going to look completely different from last year's. I love how last year's looked. I still own all of that stuff, so I'll just end up using it for like the guest bedroom. But for this year, I wanted a more foresty snow cabin, but then I went to Tuesday morning and I found this, and I was just like, I don't know if I walk away from a plaid quilt like this, you know? I actually had plans to do like a dark foresty green duvet cover, and then the matching shams, and then let it be that simple, just a white, my normal white bedding, and then instead of this plaid, I was gonna do like that dark green quilt or duvet over here, and then the photos were really gonna speak for themselves, and then I would do something like, you know, snowy over there. But then I saw this quilt. It was $34.99, and I said I'm not walking away from that. It's not gonna happen. And then they sold separately the shams, so I picked that up, and these were $14.99, which kind of surprising. $34.99 for a huge quilt, and then $14.99 for these. I was thinking more like $9.99, but listen. So I got these, and I am gonna do the plaid, but it will still, I think, have a very snowy cabin look. And then I found this pillow at Tuesday morning, and I thought that it would look really pretty on the center of the bed. Dear Santa, it wasn't me. Hilarious. And just so you can kind of see the two like color combinations together, I feel like it just works really, really well. And it not at all how I had originally envisioned for this room to go. Then let me go ahead and jump into the kitchen. The kitchen is going to be a gingerbread theme yet again. I have always wanted to do a gingerbread theme, and so I think this will be my second or third year. And I found this little gingerbread like hand wash candle set, and I just thought it was too cute to pass up. And I got this from Tuesday morning. So this is holiday treats foaming shea butter hand soap. And then they had this little box, and when I opened it, it was the lotion. So really interesting. So I will set the lotion next to the foaming soap as well. And then I found this little box, and when I opened this up, it was a candle, but also that same little charm concept. And then here's the candle. Smells good. 100% natural, all natural soy wax candle. And you know what? I did the same thing. I went back through my videos, looked at what I had put out on the kitchen, and I am gonna be doing a lot of different little things. I'm gonna be doing like a tiered tray this year, which I did not do last year. So I've been buying a lot of stuff for that. Here is a new item that I got to add, because I wanna, you know, add little mugs and things like that. And I thought these little stir spoons with the white and red would be perfect, because that is like the main color of my gingerbread theme, is the white and red, but there is also green in there as well. A lot of whimsical touches. So I got these to go in the tier tray. I found this little block to add to the tier tray as well. It was $2.99. I like the white and the red. And then I got some, let me see, I gotta open these up. I got these little measuring bowls that I thought I could maybe put in the tier tray. And then I also got this Gingerbread Santa, and you can see that he has that coat of what's supposed to look like little sugar crystals. So definitely a gingerbread concept. He's on top of what looks like a frosted cookie, and then he's actually holding a gingerbread doll, which is really, really cute. Another thing that I've bought that I hauled and showed you guys in previous videos, I bought this roll of ribbon that is white and red striped, because I really love that look for the gingerbread. There's something about it that I think it just kind of gives off that candy cane vibe, and I really love it. I'm gonna throw up a picture of this kitchen that has these wreaths with the ribbon, and they're hanging it off of their bar stools. Now my bar stools aren't really made to do the same exact thing, but I think I might do little wreaths on the cabinets, my kitchen cabinets, and kind of have it look like that. Especially the one that you see above the range there. I'm definitely gonna do that, because I do have a wreath that I keep above my stove range. So there's also this other photo that I want to throw up, but they did like this massive tiered tray on the center of their island. It's so pretty. I don't think I'm gonna exactly do that this year, or maybe I might, I'm not entirely sure, but this photo, just absolutely love it. But also I've done Dollar Tree gingerbread cake stands DIYs, so I will link that DIY down below in case you guys want some inspiration to make your own cake stands. Now let's move on to the media room. I'm gonna pick up my iPad again because I need to look at this photo to talk about it. But there's this one photo that inspired me. It's so pretty. I love the organized look of the red pillows, the buffalo check, the way they added, you know, another print of snowflakes. Now I'm not gonna do something exact one-to-one to this image, but it inspired me to think about color combinations and then themes. Like, am I gonna do a snowflake theme? Am I gonna do like a tree lot theme or something like that? So I'm gonna go with a white and black Christmas tree theme. So I found 2 of these pillows. They're gonna go in the media room. And I think the accent color is going to be red. And I'm gonna go with red because after looking through all of my videos, I realized that my daughter's not gonna do her bedroom like how I did it last year, but she had a lot of red in hers. There was that red pom-pom garland, there's some red cute pillows, and I thought, let me reuse those and make that the accent color in the media room. And then I also found the matching blanket. Honestly, this is what sold me, so I decided to go with this. Also, there's already black accents in the media room, so I thought that will give me a chance to keep some of the black pillows that I have. Plus, I'm gonna have Christmas posters, and those are gonna have a lot of like color and detail to it. So I didn't want to make, you know, the pillows and the sofa overly attention grabbing, because the movie posters are going to do that, which are going to be revealed really soon, so stay tuned for that. If you have any ideas, comment down below what you think the 4 movie posters are going to be. And if you're new, I do have movie posters in my media room for Halloween, so definitely go check out that video. But then I remembered I hauled this pillow and I completely forgot about it. Better Not Pout. I showed this to you guys not too long ago. Where did I get this? At Home. I got this from the At Home store, and it'll look great with this. So it'll be like, you know, another, here, let me show you the 2 pillows together. Yeah. Oh, let's actually talk about the staircase. Now, I don't actually have anything to share with you guys because I haven't bought anything yet, but I really went back and forth on how I'm gonna decorate the staircase. Now, this staircase is a lot different from the last house, because the last house, it was more like there was a lot of staircase to see, basically. So it was just right there, you walked into the house and it was just, there was the stairs. This house, it's kind of tucked away, and then there's a whole wall. So there's only like 1 railing, so there's not much to decorate, but I went back and forth, so I'll throw up some photos. I saw this photo of doing wreaths, and I lost my mind over this, and I thought, oh my God, I love this. Love this. And I wouldn't be surprised if I actually went in this direction, but I actually decided on something else. Then there was another photo. Then I saw this other setup where it was just red ribbon tied in a bow, but it was like long, and I love that too. So I think that's actually the winner. I think that's the one I'm gonna go for. I have a ton of garland that I can reuse. Will also pair very beautifully with how the living room is gonna be set up. It's where they had a plaid scarf tied at the end, and I just loved it. But something about the red ribbon just got me. I don't know what it is. So anyways, so that's it for how I have plans to do the house. Thumbs up if you loved this video. It's probably pretty long, but let me know if you loved me talking about design and decor in this way, and I'll definitely implement it into, you know, future videos as I decorate this house. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.